Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NAVS Home School. I am Sabreena, Haque, assistant teacher of Science, National Ideal English Machine School, Teship. Dear students, today I am going to take a biology class on the based on assignment 4, and let us move for today's topic. Dear students, assignment 4 comes from chapter 3. The name of the chapter is cell division. The lessons are cell division and its classification, mitosis, stage of mitosis and meiosis. But total assignment comes from mitosis and stages of mitosis. The assignment is during cell division, various changes are seen in the chromosome. Use the diagram to illustrate all the steps of this change and come to the instruction. There, if we have to make the assignment on the poster paper, if we don't get the poster paper or it is not available, that time we can use the back of the calendar page also, and the help of upper and lower class textbook you can take, and that means the in class 8 science book also there is the mitosis cell division steps given. You can take help from your class 8 science books, and upper classes books you can also take for your guidance. And be careful of choosing ink, color and sign pen. I draw all the figure by using the pencil. You can color it by following your textbook with the liquid color or with the pencil color, and when you are choosing the sign pen, that time you have to be alert. And now we are going to the assignment 4's topics. This is the topic of the assignment 4 will be chromosomal change during mitosis cell division. Dear students, I only draw the pictures. You have to give the description from your textbook. There is written the description so nicely. This is the picture of prophase. The first one is plant cell, second one is animal cell. Then if you observe in the prophase, the chromosome get thick, and we can see the chromosome by the help of microscope clearly. And this is the animal cell. In this stage, in the last, there will be the nucleolus and the nuclear membrane is start to disappear. Now come to the next step, that is the step 2, that is the prometaphase. Looks, this is the disappearing nucleolus and this is the disappearing nuclear membrane. That means nucleus here the disappearing, and in place of nucleus there is visible the spindle apparatus, and this is the poles. Spindle apparatus create, and the spindle apparatus attached with the centromere of the chromosome. Then chromosome are divided into chromatid, 2 chromatid. And look, this is the animal cell, and here the ester reproduced from the centriole. This part is the centriole. And come to the next step, that is the metaphase. And here all the chromosome stay in the equatorial region, and this is said here in your book, chromosomal region. This is the equatorial region, the middle of the cell, and this is the spindle fiber, and this portion is the pole, and this is the chromosomes, and the description is given in your book, so nicely follow the textbook for the description. This is the animal cells. There is ester ray from the 2 centrioles. There produce the ester ray, and the chromosomes, and this part of the chromosomes known as chromatid, and this is the spindle fiber. Now next, that means 4th stage or steps is the anaphase. Here the centromere divided into 2 sister chromatid. The sister chromatid goes to the poles. That direction is to the poles, and that is the first step of the making another nucleus. Next one is last stage of the mitosis, and that is the telophase. That they make the daughter nucleus, and here nuclear membrane appears, and the nucleolus also appears, and this is the opposite of just prophase. Here by releasing the water, it becomes thin, the chromosome becomes thin, and in the plant cell the cell plate appears, and the spindle fiber or spindle apparatus disappearing, and we got the daughter nucleus. Here in the animal cell the same things are happened, that means without only cell plate, spindle apparatus disappearing and two daughter nucleus makes from one mother nucleus, and we get the thin chromosomes by releasing the water, and also we get back the nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Dear students, this is the last stage of the mitosis cytokinesis and karyokinesis, and because the only karyokinesis the chromosomes change we can observe, that's why I give only the 5 stages of mitosis pictures. Along with this picture you have to give the description. You will write the description from your textbook in A4 size paper, and you will staple the A4 size paper with your poster paper, and the submission date of the assignment 4 is 30 October 2021. Dear students, submit your all assignment because you will get the marks on the basis on your assignment performance. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.